Welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is the 52nd lecture of Web Design Production for Business. Topic: Marketing your website. Marketing your website. Once a website is operational, you have to spread the word to attract customers. Make use of banner ads, search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and pop-ups to drive traffic to your site. Tool to help leverage visitors to your site, so you should ensure you have a presence across social media platforms, especially Twitter and Facebook. To effectively market your site, you need to spend time, effort, and money. Common techniques of marketing a website, especially an e-commerce website, are discussed below. First one, SEO. Second one, pay-per-click. Third one, web directory. Fourth one, banner ads. Fifth one, article directories. Sixth one, classy fields. Seventh one, social networking sites. Eighth one, tutorial sites. Ninth one, viral marketing. And the last one is blogs. First one is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. It refers to set of activities that are performed to increase number of desirable visitors who come to your site via search engine. അതായത് ഒരു സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻ വഴി നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലേക്ക് വിസിറ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെ നമ്പർ ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻ ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻ ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ടെക്നിക്കാണ് നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലേക്ക് വിസിറ്റേഴ്സിനെ അട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു ടെക്നിക്കാണ്. അതായത് കയറുന്ന സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിനിലൂടെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിനിലൂടെ വിസിറ്റേഴ്സ് കയറുമ്പം അവരെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലേക്ക് ട്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതാണ് സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻ ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതായത് സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻ ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസേഷൻ ഇസ് എ ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റേഷൻ ഓഫ് ടാക്ടിക്സ് ടു ഹെൽപ്പ് സെർച്ച് എഞ്ചിൻസ് ഈസിലി ഫൈൻഡ് യുവർ വെബ്സൈറ്റ്, determine it to be valuable and move it up in a search engine results page. The closer you get to the top of the rankings for certain search terms, the more likely you are to increase site traffic and sales. So search engine optimization performed to increase number of desirable visitors who come to your site via search engine. Next one is pay-per-click. That is PPC. PPC stands for pay-per-click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visitors to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Search engine advertising is one of the most popular forms of PPC. മീൻസ് പേ പെർ ക്ലിക്ക്, അതായത് ഓരോ ക്ലിക്കിലും ഒരു ഫീസ് നമ്മൾ അവിടെ പേ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. അതാണ് പറഞ്ഞേക്കുന്നത്. പേപ്പർ ക്ലിക്ക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഇൻ്റർനെറ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് ആണ്. എന്നാൽ അഡ്വർടൈസേഴ്സ് ഒരു ഫീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, അവർക്ക് പേ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. ഓരോ തവണയും ആ ആഡ്സിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അവരൊരു ഫീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, പേ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. അതാണ് പേ പെർ ക്ലിക്ക്. ഓരോ ക്ലിക്കിലും എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, പേ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. അതാണ് പേപ്പർ ക്ലിക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് വെബ് ഡയറക്ടറി. വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് പ്രൊവൈഡ്സ് എ ലിസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ലിങ്ക്സ് ടു അതർ പേജസ് അറേഞ്ച്ഡ് ഇൻ ടു കാറ്റഗറീസ് ആൻഡ് അക്കംപ്ലിഷ്ഡ് ബൈ എ ബ്രീഫ് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ദെയർ കണ്ടൻസ്. മോസ്റ്റ് ഹാവ് പ്രോഗ്രാമേഴ്സ് who edit them periodically and control the addition of new sites to the list. A common way to start promoting your sites is to place your site in a web directory. There are so many directories on the web that millions of people use every day. Directories will help you get your feet off the ground and direct a good amount of traffic your way. There are paid directories, free directories and bid directories. വെബ് ഡയറക്ടറീസ് തന്നെ 3 തരത്തിലുണ്ട്. ഫ്രീ ഡയറക്ടറീസ് ഉണ്ട്, പെയ്ഡ് ഡയറക്ടറീസ് ഉണ്ട്, ബിഡ് ഡയറക്ടറീസ് ഉണ്ട്. Banner ads rather than text based and are a popular form of online advertising. The purpose of banner advertising is to promote a brand and to get visitors from the host website to go to the advertiser's website. If your site is a product site, then you may want to use banner advertisements. Banner ads can be bit expensive, but you have to choose your ads wisely. Placing banner advertisement on other well visited sites can attract large number of prospective customers. Directories. An article directory is a website with collection of articles written about different subjects. Some directories review articles before they are published, and there may be a waiting period of several days before a new article appears. Article directories are a wonderful way to get traffic to your website. There are many well established article directories that have been proven to get website traffic. People search for articles in different categories. After reading the article, they usually follow a link at the bottom of the article in your website. Next one is classifieds. A classified website means a place where you can find what are you looking for. If you are a job seeker, then you can just go on the classified website, and with easy search you would be able to find several suitable advertisements that will represent what you are looking for. Make for free and reach large number of people. They tend to work better for business or service based websites, but you can also drive traffic to other types of sites as well. As for example, classifields.yahoo.com, classifields.myspace.com, etc. Next one is social networking sites. A social networking service is an online platform which people use to build social networks on social relationship with other people who share similar personal or career interest, activities, backgrounds, or real life connections. Social networking services vary in format and the number of features. Social networking sites are a way to market a website or blog. Having lots of friends and access to groups can be a good way to contact a lot of people in an easy and efficient manner. Most social networking sites also have forums and classifiers that you can post in facebook.com or linkedin.com. Next one is tutorial sites. Tutorials are a structured collection of any combination of text, images, audio, video, self-test questions, and other interactive activities. Submitting tutorials is a great way to get traffic to your website via a link. A lot of designers submit tutorials to sites and get a lot. Most of these tutorials are very well, so getting a link on your blog. Next is viral marketing. Viral marketing or that uses act. Viral market style of promotion that relies on an audience to generate the message of a product or services. Viral marketing is the term used to describe the method of online marketing which encourages individuals to pass on a marketing messages to others. One example of successful viral marketing is Hotmail. As people emailed their friends and colleagues, they were also advertising the service. Viral marketing is the hottest new way to market a website, but it is not easy. As you know, the YouTube videos are getting millions of views. If you can think up a really clever, funny, or useful idea and tie it into your website via a link or some other way, you can drive incredible amounts of traffic to your site with very little money or possibly none at all. Next one is a blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order with the latest post appearing first at the top. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Blogs are a lot of people. They take a lot of work, and to make a blog really effective, they need to be updated with fresh content at least several times a week. A lot of websites will have a blog in addition to a main website as a sort of new system for their main site or just a way to drive traffic to a website. Website promotion is not easy and it will take time getting traffic to your site. You have to be a patient and open to new ideas as far as promoting your site. One very important thing is to make sure that your site is of interest to people. If you have an uninteresting topic, then you may not get the traffic no matter how much you are ranking in the system. Keep your site informative, innovative, and very creative. So the methods are SEO, pay per click, web directory, banner ads, article directories, classifieds, social networking sites, tutorial sites, viral marketing, and blogs. Today's question is explain the methods in a website. Explain the methods for marketing a website.